Guess who's back? Craigie's back with some Klipsch. Hi guys, welcome back to Indigo Distribution's unboxing channel. It's Craig here again, and I just wanted to run through some more of the Klipsch range. So I'm sure you've already avidly watched the CS, the DS, the Pros, and then the Reference Premier. Now we've got the next level up, and this is the dedicated THX stuff. So Klipsch have made an absolutely stunning range of in-wall, in-ceiling, and basically freestanding. So they're box style speakers, so behind the screens, from the screen left, right, and put them in stands. They're absolutely stunning. I have got a wee selection of the range here on display. So everything from within the Klipsch THX range is actually THX Ultra 2 certified. So it's their highest level of certification basically. And for those of you who don't know, essentially THX is basically a direct representation, or as close to a direct representation of what the basically the movie producer and the musicians are trying to establish essentially, and that's what you're going to get within the Klipsch range, is just that dedicated, as accurate as possible audio soundtrack, and that's why they're really cool. I love the THX certification class. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off and just simply talk very briefly about some of the in-walls, as you see here and here. They have a beautiful beautiful front, left, right, and center in-wall, and you can use that with the THX 502s, which are the smaller brother to this guy. You get the 504L, which is this guy here. Essentially 502 and 504 donates the number of woofers, so 2 and 4. Both of them have 5.25 inch woofer. They all have a 1 inch titanium dome compression driver, and it features the horn technology. The trackless horn is famous throughout the Klipsch range, so it's a 90-degree dispersion. So you use the 502s and 504s traditionally as front, left, rights, and centers. You maybe want to pair them up. You can also use them, you can pair them up with the likes of the 8000Ls and the 8000Ss. You'll see here the 8000S with the opposing dipole tweeter array on it for a larger coverage area. So you might want to use the likes of this guy for your surrounds and rear surrounds. The 8000L, which isn't on the display, that's a tongue twister, is very, very similar. Again, you'll use it for the fronts. These guys will pump out somewhere between sort of 92, 93, 94 dB sensitivity, depending on which one you're using, and they will enable you to produce up to about 600 watts peak. So there's a lot of kick to them. So to put it in real world terms, it'll fill a very large room with a lot of extremely detailed, clear, dynamic sound. So you're going to make this room sing. Your client will love it. So moving on from the in-walls, you've got the on-walls, and what's in front of you here is just a very, very small sample, and this is the 525. Traditionally uses here for the likes of a surround or a rear surround. Again, such a huge coverage angle with the dispersion of the tweeters and the cone. What you'll pair up with the likes of these surrounds, these 525s, is something along the lines of the 6000s now, which is the new model up. So 6000 LCRs, beautiful solution for anything behind the screen. So if you've got an acoustically transparent projector screen, lovely idea. Or if you want to have them even sitting out proud and have them on stands, that's a nice solution too, depending obviously to make up your room. Those 6000 LCRs and even the 5000 LCRs are obviously a modular system. You just go ahead and plonk them to where you need them to be, and yeah, you'll have yourself an absolutely phenomenal cinema room, and a client will love it. It'll be an incredible space. So this is the 5000 range of the in-ceiling. So you get a 5002L and a 5002S. The L is for your fronts, traditionally used for your LCR, again in-ceiling obviously. What's really nice and unique about that is that they have a tweeter array or a horn array, which will actually allow you to hit different points within the room, within the listening positions. So perfect example, you've got 3 points in it and 3 different degrees and 3 different angles as to where it'll hit. So it's beautiful for or tiered cinema seating. You have got 2 5.25 inch woofers. It's a ported product. It's a it's a sealed box. What you will notice as I show this to you now is that there's a bit of depth to it. So you're going to want to really make sure you have this room calibrated or designed for the depth of this ceiling. Okay, it's not going to fit a normal ceiling, and this is kind of what we're looking at. All the likes of the S's, the L's, the THX 8000L, the 8000S, they're all sealed boxes. So actually I'm just going to show you this very quickly. So there's no open back to it. It's a sealed unit. You go ahead and cut your holes to the right dimensions, and or squares, sorry, right dimensions, rectangles, and you'll just go ahead and pop it in. So if you want to know more about the Klipsch THX range to fill your cinemas and your high-end media rooms, I would love to talk to you a bit more about it. So get in touch with Indigo Distribution, and I will see you soon.